Hi, this is Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. New regulations at stadiums and concert venues call for clear vinyl bags, so you can speed up the process at the security checkpoints. But the bags that they sell are usually pretty ugly, or they have giant logos on them. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a clear vinyl bag, and guess what? It doesn't require any sewing. So let's get started. The materials you will need are 1 yard of clear vinyl. I'm using 16 gauge vinyl. The template, which you can download from our website, eyelets and a kit, webbing, 2 snap hooks, a hammer, a marker, scissors, an awl, which is optional, tape, heavy-duty snaps and pliers, and a lighter. Cut out and tape together the template. Tape the template to the vinyl and cut. Don't forget to cut into the center lines as the template indicates. Make sure that your lines are as clean and as straight as possible. Fold the bag where the template indicates and tape it into shape. On the short sides of the bag, place 1 eyelet in the direct center about 1/2 inch from the top of the bag. This should overlap the 2 flaps of vinyl, binding them together. See our How to Attach Eyelets tutorial if you need help with the eyelets. Also, attach 3 eyelets along the bottom of the short side. 1 in the direct center below the first, about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom, and the other 2 about 1/4 inch from the sides and in line with your center eyelet. Do this to both sides of the bag. Cut webbing to the length that you want your strap and close the ends around the loops of your snap hooks. I'm using black polypropylene webbing because it can be closed without sewing. See our How to Close Webbing video for details. Secure both ends with eyelets. Attach heavy-duty snaps along the top edge of your bag. You can do 1 or 2 snaps, just make sure they are facing the outer side of your bag. See our How to Attach Heavy-Duty Snaps tutorial for details. Attach the straps to your bag. And now, your bag is complete. This bag will meet most stadium requirements and is a cheap and fashionable alternative to the ones you can buy online. It's super easy to make, and seriously, who doesn't love a no-sew project? Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.